Guess what? The one with Dr. Rock.
A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for your
The
area.
one with Dr. Rock. We watched the basketball movie. The Uncle Drew. He's here.
Lights out. Lights out. That's the hocus pocus. That's gay.
Is there a natural litter that actually works?
At Tidy Cats, litterventions come naturally. Naturally strong unscented with activated charcoal or scented clean lemongrass with plant extracts. 100% natural, 100% powerful. There's a Tidy Cats for that. Why choose proven quality sleep from Sleep Number?
Thanks for having us.
No. Because a good night's rest is where muscles recover and our minds are restored. The new Sleep Number 360 Smart Bed is temperature balancing, and it helps keep you asleep by sensing your movement and automatically adjusts to keep you both effortlessly comfortable. Perfect for those relaxing weekends. The Sleep Number 360 Smart Bed is on sale now during our lowest prices of the season.
Hi, I'm Jimmy J.J. Walker. If you're on Medicare, listen to this.
Severe
I called the
thunderstorm warning has
1-800
been
number
issued for
to
your
see
area.
what extra Medicare benefits I could get. An actual person answered, looked up my zip code, and boom, I was offered extra benefits like dental coverage, including dentures, extractions, fillings, plus prescriptions, transportation, meals, and so much more, all at no additional cost. And then I asked about the benefit that adds money to my Social Security check. And get this, I'm entitled to an extra $100 a month. That's $1,200 a year added to my Social Security check. And I was like, dynamite! Call the 1-800 number on...
Mommy, who was the basketball movie last night? Uncle Rod's name, Uncle Drew. Who was the basketball movie last night? Uncle Rod's name, Uncle Drew. Yeah.
Get that healing feeling with Copperfit Rapid Relief Rash. Find the entire line of Copperfit Rapid...
Hey, Uncle Ricky. Mama Amy. He's with Mama Amy.
Mama Amy's here.
Get Tom's secret weapon and get your feet on.
You may hate the color rouge. Well, now it's sapphire blue. Why stick with something you despise? So in life, throws you
What's cool about it? You can edit stuff. You can like this. You get it. You can upload stuff to YouTube on it.
A heat
So if you
advisory
make
is
a
in effect.
if you make a little video and you edit like as voice effects, that would cool.
Currently in our area, 98 degrees.
With a severe thunderstorm warning. It's cool, but there is an EAS. There's an EAS. That a voice thing that sounds
Tonight,
like Darth Vader.
thunderstorms early. Low,
But the monster
77.
like
Chance of
the
rain, 40%.
There's a voice. It's called the scary
Tuesday,
EAS.
sunshine and some
And
clouds.
basically-
A stray shower or thunderstorm is possible. High, 97. Here's our 7-day outlook.
Stop. my head and neck.
Is dedicated to Earth and all its wonders. And filmmakers, it's your last chance to submit your work to the Pattern Earth Film
Hit the devil feeling not to leave back my head and neck. I bet you never.
No, I didn't mean all that.
A single point on everything.
A tornado warning has been issued for your area.
So, are you on YouTube Shorts or TikTok?
Head of the storm. The Weather Channel is.
Hey, another fire station. We got next week, though.
Your local
I know, baby.
flood watch and a tornado
I'm fixing
watch
to make food. Okay, we have.
have been issued for our.
Yeah, I want that.
Okay, it says tuna helper, but we actually have chicken to go with it instead. So it's gonna be like shredded chicken instead. It's chicken helper, chili, Oreos. I can make you just about macaroni and cheese.
Oh, I know.
I know anything that's in the freezer.
Could
But you gotta eat something.
Could you make me some pasta with Alfredo?
Is there some pasta?
Yeah, some pasta right up there. I have
And
TikTok
that's
on
right
here.
And
I'm gonna watch it. Yeah. Hey.
Pasta Alfredo?
Yeah, is that chicken?
Yes.
Yeah, I can eat chicken Alfredo because it'll be better because it'll be healthier and I'll have more things to eat. That's what we have first for one in the first for your area. But I don't know what it's over.
62 degrees under cloudy skies.
Guess what, Amy? I say Jolly, Jolly bee. I just wanna eat beep, 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 beep. Look, that's Kieran. He has no shirt on. Look at Kieran, he has no shirt on. Yeah. Chicken Alfredo.
I know, but that wasn't chicken. It turned out to be tuna. Gonna get it. I thought it was chicken.
Is there any chicken here? We can. Huh? I can look out some real tiny pasta Alfredo. So very cool.
I was trying to see.
I'm looking at something, but this video keeps stopping. Huh? Oh. I'm looking here real fast to see if there might be some meats.
I want some popsicle.
Wait, let's see.
I want a popsicle. A popsicle.
SpaghettiOs.
I want to pee. I want a popsicle.
I want a popsicle. Okay. Okay. Which one, Karen? Huh? There's no more boys, Karen.
Let's do it!
You want green?
Yeah. No, that's not good.
It's green.
Yeah. Yes.
Here you go. Green.
See, it's green.
Yeah, you want to pee?
It's dark out there, Karen. He said, I said, well, I haven't found any chicken. So that's
A tornado warning has been issued for your area. Winds north, 10 to 20 miles per hour. And on Sunday, cloudy with a few showers. High 68. Winds northwest at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Chance of rain 30%. And Sunday night, a few clouds from time to time. Slight chance of a rain shower. Low 50. Winds north-northwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour. And on Monday, generally sunny. High 72. Winds north-northwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Our week ahead.
We have interrupted our programming at the request of the National Weather Service or other local authority.
Please sit at channel 10 for emergency.
The National Weather Service in Burlington has issued a tornado warning for northern Franklin County and northern New York, west central Clinton County and northern New York until 1:30 p.m. At 1:01 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. The storm containing the possible tornado was near West Bangor, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include but are not limited to Malone, Chasm Falls, Brainerdville. When you can do so safely, please report hail or damaging winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-863-4279 or by submitting a weather.gov/Burlington. When a tornado warning is issued based on Doppler radar, it means that strong rotation has been detected in the storm. A tornado may already be on the ground or is expected to develop shortly. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home or vehicle outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Wednesday evening for northern New York and Vermont.
So I'm not spending money I don't have to spend.
With this virus situation, I'm calling to get everything I'm entitled to. I couldn't believe I was missing out on so many benefits.
Reality is, it's a very uncertain year ahead, so you need to be sure your healthcare coverage is up to date. Call now. It's free.
I called to get dental, transportation, meals, and the gift bag benefit. They owe me so much.
Get dental care, dentures, unlimited transportation, and home-delivered meals at no addition. Your zip code may have coverage with the Give Back benefit that adds money back to your Social Security check every month.
With the uncertainty of the virus and vaccines, you need to get everything you're entitled to. Millions of people have trusted the Medicare coverage helpline. You can too. Call now. It's free.
Call 1-800-442-6400. That's 1-800-442-6400 now.
Sweaty in bed for all the wrong reasons? Sheik's Performance Sheets keep you cool, even on the hottest summer nights. Sheik's are the world's most breathable, moisture-wicking, ridiculously soft sheets with superior stretch.
Go to trysheiks.com to save over $100 today.
It's what 30 minutes of boot camp tastes like. Come on, Peloton, let it flow. Reach all the way up.
Check your vibe. It's time to grind, Peloton. Let's turn it up. Come on.
What's up, hustlers? Welcome to Peloton Outdoors. Let's get jogging.
Party with them, baby. 1, 2, 1, 2. So many Peloton newbies on the leaderboard today. Welcome to the family.
Try Peloton classes free on the app. New members only. Terms apply.
New Kellogg Special K Blueberry has real blueberries, whole grains, 11 vitamins and minerals, and a whole lot of delicious. Kellogg Special New Blueberry.
All right, girl. Back when healing.
Storm chasers usually are in for thrills and close calls when chasing. But sometimes they get even more. Good bargain. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for your
I have
area.
nothing to what a service.
More Americans get their weather from the Weather Channel than any other source. And now, your local on the 8.
A tornado watch is in effect for our area. Currently in our area, 67 degrees with a thunderstorm. Our local Doppler radar.
It's a big thunderstorm has been issued for our area. I have nothing to what a service.
For tonight, scattered strong to severe thunderstorms. Storms may produce large hail and strong winds. Low, 54. Chance of rain, 60%. And on Tuesday, cloudy skies early will become partly cloudy later in the day. High, 70. Winds west-northwest at 10 to 15 miles per hour. And Tuesday night, partly cloudy skies in the evening, then becoming cloudy overnight. Low, 52. Our 7-day outlook.